In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to manually set a custom resolution on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Just simply click the start button and click on the settings icon, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and select settings. Okay. Then click on system on the left pane, and here you can find the display option. Click on that. And here you can find display resolution. So adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. Click on the drop down arrow. And here you can customize to any of these options from here. Just simply click on that resolution and click on keep changes if this is working for you, or click on the revert button if this is not working for you. So just simply choose in the list of options to customize your resolution on your Windows 11. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.